Hi, this is Ida Walsh, and in this video I'm going to go over the 2017 wrap-up report details. I want to show you why we picked the categories of statistics that we did, what they mean, and how you can use it, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Herndon. So the first one we have is by zip code. There are two zip codes in Herndon, 20170 and 20171. A number of transactions, so how many properties sold, and then the average actual sold price. Now, what I calculated here is actually the closed price minus any seller subsidy, so that we can have a good understanding of the net that was for that property. Then we have the minimum and maximum, because I really wanted to show the different ranges. So you can see here, for example, for 20170 for townhomes, even though the average price is $375, $722, you can see that the lowest price was $155, and then the highest price was $811. Now, average days on the market and average days on the market for the property, what do they mean? This is basically how long the properties sit on the market. Now, average days on the market, DOMM, is basically the marketing period for the last listing. DOMP could be if the property was relisted with another agent, or you took it off the market and then put it back on. So we use that as listing agents to see how long properties may take. And these are all just averages. There's lots of details that go into why homes sell for more and faster. And there are details behind this report, so when you do download this, you're going to get all the details as well. These are just the summary ones, so I wanted to explain what those summaries are, what they mean, so that you can utilize it for your needs. So the next one is by transaction type. So some people want to know, how many foreclosures were there, how many bank-owned, how many potential sales, and then there's also some other or undisclosed types as well. So you can see here we have the foreclosures, short sales, and the REOs, number of properties. Again, the averages for all of those as well. So here's another one with details. So in this one we have the zip code, then property type, and I know some people are going to say, I would like to see the neighborhood. So what we've done is we've actually broken it out, and you can actually see all the way down to the neighborhood. So you can click on it and see all the neighborhood details. So here you can see the number of transactions that happened for a specific property or neighborhood, I mean. So here's 20171. So you can see all of those details. Again, the same statistics. So we just broke it down by subdivision so that you can go in and take a look by subdivision. By neighborhood and property type. So this is just a different way of looking at it. Again, I wanted to put this kind of information in there because some people just want to know by neighborhood. Because what happens is some agents will define the same type of property differently. So the property types, as you will see, sometimes are defined differently. And in our area, sometimes it's very difficult to define what kind of a property it is and how you should define it. For example, there are condos that live like townhomes, and in some categories they're called townhome condos. So some agents will basically put that category as a townhome, some people will put it as a condo. So when you do look at it, you may see different property types for the same neighborhood, and it's just because agents defined it differently. So in this case, I really wanted to make sure that if that was the case, you would be able to see it per neighborhood. So if you're interested in a specific neighborhood, you can come in here and open it up. So here's an example for Copper Mine Crossing. One agent assigned attached row house, and the rest were all townhomes. So you can see here too with the copper mill and then the Copper Mine Crossing. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now the next one is all this data. So you're actually going to get all of the data. So if you wanted to come in here and actually look at the details and see, okay, original list price, when it was put on the market again, how much subsidy, and this is grouped by the subdivision. So you can actually see the different or the amounts of subsidy, and we can also provide you with this information if you're looking to buy or sell. We can provide you with more details per neighborhood, even multi-year statistics, average subsidy, etc. So you can see here all of this information is provided: the HOA fees, the condo fees, number of bedrooms, baths, whether the property has a basement or not, garage spaces. So these are all things that really add value to the property. Like we said, this is just one part of the equation. There's so much more that goes into actually valuing a property. You need to look at a lot of different factors. And then here you can see the age, days on the market, subdivisions, total square footage, etc. So you actually get all of this, and if we've missed anything or if you're looking for anything specific that we didn't provide, please let me know and I'll make sure to provide that for you. And you have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. If you're looking to buy, sell, build, or invest in Northern Virginia, please give us a call. Let us help you save money. Make it a great day.